Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Color Crazy. Patty loved the color purple. On the first day of school, she wore purple socks, purple shorts, and a purple scrunchie. Best of all, she brought a box of crayons with 8 shades of purple: purple sunset, plum, royal purple, eggplant, grape juice, vivid violet, blue violet, and purple pizzazz. Patty's teacher taught the class the A is for apple song. They sorted, weighed, and tasted apples. Finally, Mr. Miners gave them an apple picture to color. The other kids colored their apples red or green or yellow. Patty colored hers 3 kinds of purple. She colored the stem eggplant, the leaves grape juice, and the skin plum. "A purple apple?" teased Alex. "That's silly." Everyone looked at her purple apple. Patty's lip quivered. Mr. Miners walked over. Alex said, "He'll make you do it over." Mr. Miners picked up Patty's paper. "This purple apple looks good enough to eat," he said. He stapled it on the bulletin board next to the red, yellow, and green apples. Then he said, "That's the fun thing about art. The color is your choice." The next week, they studied the letter B. They counted, peeled, and tasted bananas. Then they colored a picture of a monkey eating a banana. Patty tried to color only the monkey's eyes purple, but she couldn't help herself. She colored his fur purple sunset. She was about to color the banana yellow. Then she remembered helping her mother mash ripe black bananas to make banana bread. She used black instead. "Yuck," said Alex. "Not even a purple monkey would eat a black banana." Patty tried to explain about banana bread. A bunch of kids laughed. "Bake, bread, and black start with B," said Mr. Miners. He wrote them on the board under banana. The next day, Patty brought banana bread to class. Even Alex agreed that squishy black bananas made delicious banana bread. Then something strange happened. The class was coloring a donut picture for the letter D. Some kids, like Alex, colored their donuts chocolate brown because they liked chocolate. But other kids created crazy-colored donuts. Daniel collected robots. He colored his donut atomic silver. Thomas liked swamp monsters. He colored his donut slimy green. Haley's donut was all the colors of the rainbow because rainbow was her favorite color. When they got to the letter Z, the class was color crazy. There were jungle green zebras with pink stripes, tiger zebras with orange and black stripes, and even a gold zebra from outer space. "What great imaginations you all have," said Mr. Miners as he stapled the zebras to the bulletin board. Alex pointed at Patty's picture. "A black and white zebra?" Patty smiled at Alex and his red, white, and blue zebra. She picked up her crayon. "Don't worry," she said. "I'll color the grass purple pizzazz."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.